everybody, and welcome back to another one of my vlogs. So it's the 3rd of January and I'm going to be doing a organise and a clean with me, and I thought, you know, I'd take you guys along with me because when I did my ongoing giveaway on my Christmas Eve vlog, people said what brought them to my channel, what they love about my channel. It's my organisational videos and things like that, one of many videos that they like. So today is that day. I'm going to be putting away my Christmas decorations as well because, you know, it's time and I've been ready to take them down for ages. I had the most massive line because I was up to 1:15 in the morning editing and organising my vlog that's going up today, my New Year's vlog. So yeah, on my iPad because I need to make my thumbnail for my New Year's vlog. Got yogurt, got Grey's Anatomy of course, and then I'm going to sort myself out and get ready. And then I'm gonna get ready to film my video because today Matt is taking that away. He'll be taking my Christmas Eve box and the Christmas sack and stocking that he obviously gave me. So this video has been an absolute fail so far because I've been dozing in and out of naps all day. It's just gone 4 and I'm gonna run in the shower before Mum gets home because she's got to clean the bathroom. But yeah, so might even light my candle when I get back out. But I'm having dinner with Matt tonight, which will be nice. We're having mash, I think it's like sausage and mash or something. So yeah, but I've got to run in the shower before Mum gets back. I need to brush my hair, at least the shower make me feel fresh, and then I'm going to decide whether or not I'm going to film what I got for Christmas today. Probably will, so then I can edit it tonight. But yeah, so the clean and organised with me is going to be extended tomorrow after my first day back at work. So yeah. Oh, I can't explain being this tired. I've been having the most vivid dreams as well. So I've been waking up like after very short naps like, oh. I feel like every time I do a vlog, I'm always in my hair tap, but that's also because I've got to wash my hair. Matt's coming around to collect the chest of drawers and to give me my money that I left in his wallet for Christmas, because that's going in my budget wallet stuffer thing for my hair, which is in February, just before Valentine's Day. So yeah. And then I've got to get more money out tomorrow or whenever. But yeah, he's taking the chest of drawers, he's taking my washing as well, but I'm doing it tomorrow, change of plans, because he's watching the darts final, so I'm going to be staying at home. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner yet. I'm going to sort my hair out, put some makeup on, film my what I got for Christmas video so it's done, so I can start packing stuff away and I can use this evening actually to organise. And tomorrow I'm going to have dinner at Matt's, do my washing and watch Downton with him instead. So I've done all my makeup and I put it actually all away for once, so I'm going to try and get this out ready for Matt because he's coming literally in a minute to come and collect it. And yeah, so I'm giving him this and I think that's it, I think, and I'm going to give him the snacks for him to try. I filmed my what I got for Christmas, so I'm now going to clear some stuff away and then I'm going to get myself some dinner and then I'm going to take rubbish downstairs. So yeah, but I'm going to take my chocolates. I did take a thumbnail. I may create a different thumbnail. These are my bags. After a lot of work, it is now 8:30, so I really need to get some food. But this is my room. I've got stuff to sort out there. Christmas Eve box to go to Matt. My drawers, just to give you a bit of insight, I absolutely crammed. Needs a massive amount of organising. That one's alright. This one, you know, I've got this drawer which now has all my all my fragrances and things. Hair drawer's alright. Bath and body drawer is full. Skincare is full. My wardrobe has been rammed with other Christmas presents I got and stuff like that, which will also get organised in time. But the floor's ready for me to hoover tomorrow or on Wednesday. But tomorrow when I get home from Matt's, I will be taking down my Christmas decorations, so I'll time lapse all that for you. So my Maggie's Lashes cup is here ready to be washed, and the glass that came from Matt's parents and the gift set. But this is currently my cupboard. It's not too bad, obviously it's not the most organised ever. I've got lots of tins, which is good for quick and convenience. I haven't had these in ages, so I asked Mum for those. However, I really fancy soup today, I think. So I've got plenty of tomato, which is my favourite. But I don't know, do I fancy that or do I fancy, oh that's going to bug me. It can't be upside down. And I put all my chocolate from Christmas in here. So yeah, it's a bit crazy. But I don't know what to have. Do you know what? No, I'm actually going to have baked beans and sausages, I think. But yeah, and I've put in my home bargains tub, which I need to get more of, Malteser truffles and Lindor chocolates. Got those there. So yeah, it's not the most organised. I will get around to it at some point. I've been watching that. Dinner is done. I've caved. I've still got my water, but I've just got a little bit because I've been trying to cut down on this. It's only day 3, which is ridiculous. But just, yeah. So it is quite a bit later on now. I'm going to go ahead and take my makeup off. It's 20 to 11. I'm going to take my rubbish into the kitchen, put it in the bin, and then I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to try and aim to get up early, try and strive to start the new work year off right, but we'll see. And yeah, and then tomorrow evening I'm with Matt, which will be really nice. I don't believe I'm staying at his, that's not the plan, but we all know what happens, so I'll just have to see. But yeah, that is literally all the rubbish. I don't know how well you can see. That obviously needs to go out. So there's a lot of it, but I can't stay at Matt's tomorrow because I need to take down all my Christmas decorations at least, because obviously it's bad luck, so I don't need any bad luck. So it is now Monday. I'm about to get picked up. I'm gonna take my stuff to work. So I've got some grapes, my apple juice for the day, and then I'm gonna take for the rest of the week / beginning of next week, so I'll see where there's one that's staying this week. There's some apple juices to put in my work fridge. I'm going to be taking a yoghurt. My sandwich is in here somewhere. There we go. I'm going to take 2 packets of crisps. I'm also going to be taking this bottle, which I got from Primark, because it's really cute, and I'm going to fill it with water and then put it in the fridge. It's the 4th of January, and I am staying at Matt's. How did this happen? I'm going to have to go to the shop on my way to work tomorrow to get some lunch bits, but it's technically not unlucky unless all of it, my Christmas decorations aren't done by midnight on the 5th, so I'll be going straight home tomorrow. Dinner was really nice. I did get a quick clip on my phone. Did you have a good dinner?
I'm still very full.
Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm just so tired. Let me know how you guys have got on back at work or back at school or college or whatever you're going back to by the time you see this, because I'm glad to be back in a routine, but Jesus, am I absolutely shattered. So it is Wednesday and I'm going to quickly pop up to mine and take down all my Christmas decorations. I'm with Matt, but funny enough, he's got out of it. So I'm going to put some YouTube on and quickly take all my decorations down, and then I'm going to organise my room properly, because I'm staying at Matt's tonight, and then Thursday, Friday I'm staying at home, back at Matt's Saturday, getting my nails taken, that was soaked off on Saturday as well. But yeah, so I'm going to be organising and sorting stuff out. But yeah, I haven't got my camera on me, and then I'm going to edit this vlog because this is the majority of what this vlog's going to be about, and I'm going to show you how I'm storing it. But if you want to see me do like a massive declutter of my room, like clearing out my room, then that's going to be a separate video, because I've decided most of my January content, which is going to be like spread out, is going to be all like decluttering, organising and just sorting out, because obviously I think after Christmas that's what most people are doing. So you can join me on my journey of doing my sorting out. Okay, so quality is not the best obviously, but this is the main area that we are going to be organising and just taking away. So all of this will be going, I may keep my little robin friend out because it technically isn't a Christmas decoration. All of this, except obviously the little penguin, that's out all year round. All of those, and then the gonk and the mouse and the stuff there. That will be going, the nativity scene and the little Christmas tree, which actually is going to be used as a sort of ring holder, so yeah. And then obviously over here we've got the Noel sign and little Christmas figurines there, and then over here we have obviously the Christmas decoration that Malika got me, one from the garden centre, the salt and pepper shakers, which obviously I'm just using for novelty effect, the little glass figurines I got from the pound shop years and years ago, glass bauble, Santa chime. I've got a stocking there. I've got Christmassy bits here that needs to go away. Obviously my candle, that's going to stay out, so I'm going to use it. More Poundland decorations. I think both of those came from the pound shop actually. and that one I think as well, maybe, I don't know. And that's that I got from the Christmas fair with Dawn. So yeah, they're the bits that need to go away. I'm gonna get all the boxes out and just make my room not Christmassy anymore. So I thought I'd just quickly show you guys what I'm going to be using to store. So I'm going to use these boxes that I had before, and I'm also going to store it in my portable kind of like, you know, my makeup box, that I got from Amazon ages ago. So I just think it's going to be perfect just to store some bits and pieces in, like the non-breakable stuff, you know. So yeah, and then I've got stuff here like this frame and stuff that's going to go on my shelves. I've got these cute little pots from the pound shop. I've got some organised for when I get other furniture. I've got little tea light holders as well. You know, I've got my rug that I need to put out. It's just so much. So these are some bits I'm having to put in the bin because they're old. I'm putting that in Matt's car, and this is some of the stuff that I need to organise. And then this area is completely clear, which is good. I'm going to go take out this rubbish now, so it's gone. But this is currently what it's looking like. Obviously I'm going to tweak it. It's not going to look like this forever. I'm going to organise it because I've got little bits like this, and I've got a Forever Rose thing that Matt got me for, I think, Valentine's Day or an anniversary or something. So I've got plenty of stuff that I can decorate this with, make it look nice, try and go for a theme. But I've got a really lovely picture of me and my grandma at the Panto a good couple of years ago now. So yeah, but I'll be organising it at some point. Like re-sorting it out, but I love all these like little signs and things. So yeah, I'll organise that at another date, probably tomorrow or Friday. But yeah, my wall's looking very sparse. I need to find where I put everything that used to hang over here. With this used to go to my New Year's to-do list, which I'll be adding to. I've only got, oh, I can take one off, so now it's just clean makeup brushes because I've got other bits I need to do. Everything's off here now. I just need to find where I put things, to be honest. But yeah, so currently this is the only thing on there. Oh, and this is something else I forgot to put in my what I got for Christmas, because obviously where I've worn it, it is a Lipsy bracelet that Matt got me for Christmas. It reminds me kind of a Lynx one. So yeah, I completely forgot to add it in, but it is gorgeous.